The Ayah revealed. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayah 257, Allah declares, Allahu waliyyul ladhina amanu yukhrijuhum min adh-dhulumati ila an-nur, والذين كفروا أولياؤهم الطاغوت يخرجونهم من النور إلى الظلمات أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون. Allah is the protector of those who believe. He brings them out from darknesses into the light. But those who disbelieve, their protectors are false deities. They bring them out of the light into darknesses. Those are the companions of the fire. They will abide therein forever. Two guides, two directions, two destinations, and everyone on earth is following one of them. Allah, the protector of the believers. Look at how Allah describes Himself for those who believe. Waliyun, protector, ally, guardian, friend. Not a distant judge, not an angry ping behind a wall, not someone waiting for you to fail. Waliyun, the one who walks with you, the one who defends you when you can't defend yourself, the one who wants you to reach Him safely. And what does this waliyun do? يُخْرِجُهُمْ مِنَ الظُّلُمَاتِ إِلَى النُّورِ. He brings them out from darknesses into the light. Notice darknesses, plural, light, singular, because the darknesses are many. Darkness of doubt, darkness of sin, darkness of confusion, darkness of despair, darkness of loneliness, darkness of false hopes. But the light is one, His guidance, His path, His truth. And He doesn't wait for you to find your own way out. He brings you out. He takes your hand. He pulls you. He saves you. That is your Lord. Stop and ask yourself one question. Who is really guiding your life? Not who you say is guiding it. Who is actually, right now, in this moment, pulling the strings? Because here's the truth you cannot ignore. Everyone has a wali, a guide, an ally, either Allah or something else. And where that guide takes you, that determines everything. The other guide. But then the ayah turns, and you need to feel this in your bones. وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَوْلِيَاؤُهُمُ الطَّاغُوتِ. But those who disbelieve, their protectors are Taghut. Taghut, everything false worshipped besides Allah, every system built on rebellion against Him, every desire that takes His place in your heart, every voice that pulls you away from truth. And what do these protectors do? They do the exact opposite of Allah. يُخْرِجُونَهُمْ مِنَ النُّورِ إِلَى الظُّلُمَاتِ. They bring them out of the light into darknesses. Think about that. They don't just leave people in darkness. They actively pull them out of light. Someone who once prayed now doesn't. Someone who once cried in tahajjud now mocks it. Someone who loved the Quran now hasn't opened it in years. What happened? Taghut happened. False guides, bad company, their own desires, shaitan. They were in the light, and something pulled them out. This is the greatest tragedy of the human soul. So now you have to look at your life, not your neighbor's life, not your friend's life, not the person next to you in the mosque, your life. Which direction are you moving? Are you going from darkness to light, or from light to darkness? Be honest, because here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to be a disbeliever to be moving towards darkness. Every sin you normalize, that's darkness pulling you. Every prayer you delay, that's darkness pulling you. Every Quran verse you ignore, that's darkness pulling you. Every haram relationship you justify, that's darkness pulling you. You don't wake up one day and lose your iman. You lose it one prayer at a time, one glance at a time, one compromise at a time. Taghut doesn't push you off a cliff. It moves you one step at a time, until one day you look back and realize, I used to be closer to Allah. What happened? Taghut happened. The destination. And then the ayah ends with words that should make every one of us tremble. Ulaika ashabun nari hum fiha khalidun. Those are the companions of the fire. They will abide therein forever. Not because Allah is unfair, but because they chose their protectors. They chose who to follow. They chose the direction. And choice has consequences. But here's the good news hidden in this ayah. You can still choose. Right now, in this moment, you decide. Will Allah be your waliyun, or will you settle for something less? Will you let Him bring you from darkness to light, or will you let Taghut pull you in the other direction? The choice is yours. The dua. So before this video ends, do this. Close your eyes, place your hand on your heart and say, Ya Allah, be my waliyun. Ya Allah, don't leave me to myself for even a second. Ya Allah, if I'm in darkness, bring me out. Ya Allah, if I'm in light, keep me there. Ya Allah, protect me from Taghut, from false guides, from bad company, from my own desires, from shaitan. Ya Allah, I want to be among those you bring from darkness to light. Ya Allah, don't let me be among those who are pulled from light to darkness. Ya Allah, save me, save my family, save my loved ones, and let us meet in Jannah. Ameen. Final call to action. Comment Ameen if you made this dua. Comment Allah if you're choosing Him as your protector. Comment I need this if you're struggling and want support. Subscribe and hit the bell. Why? Because shaitan wants you to forget this message. Because your nafs will tell you, watch later. Because the next video might be the one that saves your soul. Don't let it pass you by. Share this with everyone you love. Share with your mother who made dua before you were born, your father who worked hard to raise you, your friend who's drifting from the deen, your sibling who needs their heart softened, your spouse who you want to meet in Jannah, anyone whose heart feels heavy today. One share, one click, one soul saved forever. Imagine standing on Judgment Day and seeing someone approach you, smiling, glowing with light. They say, you shared a video and it opened my heart. I'm here because of you. That could be you. That reward could be yours forever. Closing. Allah is the protector of those who believe. He brings them out from darknesses into the light. Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 257. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.